Hey everyone, this is Rob again. I don't really know if I should do this as an unboxing or not, but I ordered a couple of large jars of the hot jams from Scott Tippett, and he sent me a little message saying it was delivered and that there was something else in here. So I don't know exactly what else is in here, but I thought just in case I'm going to do a quick little video here showing the unboxing of it, just for the fun of it. If it gets posted, you're watching it. If it doesn't get posted, you never know, right? Right. Alright. Lots of bubble wrap in this package, so he definitely took the care to make sure that this was going to get here. Okay, there's one side. Let's get this off the tape on the other side. If we, well, let's just cut the tape. Yeah, Scott, you packaged this very well. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I can definitely smell. It smells nice and warm. The distinct smell of peppers is definitely permeating out here.
I can smell that back here, actually.
Yep, and for those that don't recognize the voice, Paul is on the camera today. Uh-oh. Okay. Isn't this interesting? Okay, so I gotta put my glasses on here. The pineapple and peach brain strain was one that I ordered. Cool. And Crying Hawaiian is these two. These are two that I also ordered. So I ordered 8-ounce ones. He didn't have an 8-ounce one in the Crying Hawaiian, so he sent me 2 4s. We had agreed on that. Oh. See, I was thinking on how to make these. This is he says spicy salt and spicy rib rub. Cool. So these must be his own mixes. So this looks like pepper infused salt, which looks to be quite the interesting, and a spicy rib rub. Ooh, another mix here. Yeah. Okay, sorry about that. The battery just died and we just replaced it. So I was talking about the spicy rib rub here, which is a very fine, nice looking powder. I wonder how much or what this is going to smell like if I'm going to burn my nose here. Oh, that actually smells pretty good. Want to smell it? Yeah. You want to smell it?
Ooh.
The appearance of putts.
Yeah, that was Paul.
Yeah, my interest actually. I like different rib rubs.
I can almost smell what smells like chili powder or
That's what I was gonna
cayenne.
say. Smells like chili tastes. Passing it off again to another person to smell.
Yeah, this is RJ. If he's on the camera or not, I don't know if he is.
Nope.
That's
Hi.
RJ.
Ooh, yeah, it smells really good. Yeah, it definitely's got that cayenne smell to it.
Uh-huh. I'm just gonna pour it in my hand for you. Gotta try it because it smells good.
Heck yeah.
Now we're all just tasting your stuff, Rob.
That's all right.
Yep. My
That
dad
might
used-
be a lot.
My dad used to make homemade
I will
rubs
tell
all
you,
the time.
it's got quite a kick to it, RJ.
Oh, that's fine.
But it's really good.
Oh yeah.
There's, I'm for sure getting a hint of like a chili powder and a lemon pepper right away.
It
Okay.
almost tastes like it's got like maybe a little bit of habanero at the end of it there.
Oh yeah, no, that's definitely got.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to warn you.
No, it's good. It's like a. No, I'm good. It tastes great, but
I mean, I was expecting it to be very like bleed into the spicy a little bit, but it just right from the get-go popped right into my mouth.
You know,
you
and
get-
I like that because it's not toying with you. It's
That one I like. That one's what I'm kind of expecting the other powder we got for the wing challenge the other day to taste like once the barbecue sauce is mixed in.
Oh, yeah,
Something
the
similar to that.
La Cuesta.
Yeah, because that one you get the taste of the earthy taste of the peppers, but then you get that more of the rub flavoring.
Me myself, I'm not gonna try it right now because my stomach is a bit on the upset side, so I will try it later. And then we have a spicy salt here. I wonder what this one's gonna smell like.
More things to burn.
It smells like pepper infused. It's a real light pepper scent to it.
Yeah, that's all I'm smelling in this one is the pepper, because the salt doesn't really have a smell to it.
yeah, I just smell the pepper.
Yeah, salt doesn't really smell like you said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
But you could tell that's gonna I could tell that might hurt if I tried, so I'm gonna back off from this one because I'm still.
So let's see what salt and pepper taste.
Here come the hiccups.
Yeah,
right?
here come the hiccups. Well, I haven't eaten anything today,
Do
so
more
that's
than
why.
Okay. Rob told me to do more.
Dare you to snort it?
No.
That would be painful for more reasons than one.
Oh, I know.
Obviously, of course, really salty.
So that rib rub was really good.
I'm not sure what pepper that is, but it's not. The salt definitely intensifies the heat in that.
Yeah, and I can, taste the salt, but then like the pepper is more of it tastes kind of like an afterthought in there. Like it's in there, but I can't really pinpoint what it is.
So they enhance each other.
That's kind of That's kind of what I was hoping. My fire salt tasted more like actual salt. Just tastes like a bunch of like black pepper and stuff mixed.
Cool.
So you did good. From the aphid man.
Thumbs up for me.
Yeah, rib rub was awesome too.
All right, so now we move on here, and this is plum and white devil's tongue. Oh, another jar of jam. Actually, there's 3 more jars of jam here, which I did not know was coming. And Scott, thank you very much. I don't know how hot these ones are going to be, but the ingredients: fruit, sugar, pectin, lime juice, and peppers. It's a nice looking jam. And what is this one? This one is the blackberry and habanero.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Yeah. Another one of those. And then, raspberry and seven pot Rennie? I think it says Rennie. Rennie. Raspberry and 7-pot Rennie. That one looks quite interesting too. Oh. Oh, it wasn't from this. It's like there was a pepper flake or whatever, and when I sniffed it, it caught me. So it wasn't from this. This is just like totally awesome. There's no smell on the outside of these jars. So just so you know. But yeah, Mr. Scott, I thank you very much for these extra items here. This is just flippin' awesome. And yeah, I greatly appreciate it. I am going to definitely try both of these, and I wonder how spicy salt will go on popcorn.
I would actually think pretty good.
I tried most of my powders on popcorn as a preliminary thing to see how they are. But yeah, Mr. Scott, thank you very much. I was expecting this, got all this, and yeah, you rock. So once again, thank you very much, and I think I'm going to close this out here. So thank you much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, if you liked what you saw, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more, there's that subscribe button and of course the bell button. And yeah, any comments, leave them below. I usually get back to people within a day or so. So yeah, thank you much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.